It's gone. Yeah.
Gone away.
Just gone. Like a lot of them need a lot of stuff. Okay, so this is a simple one. So you start on a simple one so you can't get lost. And then it's just...
The only thing about all of them, which is cool, but it's a bit silly, that you utilize the whole square on all of them.
So
So your map is going to be very predictable.
But this. So now we have buildings here that will link to here, that will go there. So then it's different rooms in different places. So you don't. The objective is to get here on the map, but how to get there